This is a prison, but not the kind people usually imagine. It exists on the world map, yet for many years it existed far away from public attention. Hidden not by location, but by silence. Surrounded by ocean, layers of wire, and heavy security, this place was built to keep people out and secrets in. Its name is Guantánamo Bay, an American prison located outside American land. A place chosen carefully, because here, normal rules did not fully apply. Everything changed after September 11, 2001. Fear spread across cities faster than understanding. Smoke filled the sky, people ran through streets, and the world watched in disbelief. Television screens repeated the same images again and again. Airports turned into military zones. Every face became a question, every bag a suspicion. Families sat in front of their televisions, holding their breath, unsure of what the future would look like. In that fear, decisions were made quickly. Guantánamo Bay became the answer. Men were taken from different countries. Some were captured during raids. Some were handed over for rewards. Many were never told what they were accused of. They were flown across oceans, blindfolded, restrained, and silent. For some families, their loved ones simply disappeared. No calls, no letters, no explanations. Inside the prison, life followed strict control. High fences, locked gates, watchtowers watching every movement. Inside the camps, dozens of men sat together in silence, waiting, thinking, remembering. Cells were small and cold. Lights stayed on. Time lost meaning. Some prisoners held onto metal bars, staring through them as if freedom might appear on the other side. Others stood in lines for food, moving only when ordered. Names became numbers. Lives were reduced to files on a table. Punishment did not always leave marks on the body. Sometimes it targeted the mind. Long isolation, stress positions, interrogation rooms filled with light and silence. No screaming, no blood, just pressure. Guards walked endless corridors while footsteps echoed between empty cells. Some prisoners walked in circles, counting steps just to remember they still existed. Outside the prison, families waited. They stood near gates they could not cross, hoping for answers that never came. Journalists began asking questions, typing stories late into the night, printing truths that were not meant to be seen. Slowly, names appeared in the media, faces the world had never seen before. Men who had been missing for years were suddenly real. Some detainees were later found innocent. Some were released quietly. Others remained, forgotten as headlines moved on. Even today, Guantánamo Bay still stands. At sunset, the ocean looks calm. Barbed wires cut across the sky, separating freedom from fear. Families leave with heavy hearts. Chairs remain empty. Questions remain unanswered. Guantánamo Bay is not just a prison. It is a symbol, a reminder of what fear can create when justice becomes flexible, and a question for all of us. When safety is placed above humanity, who truly pays the price?